All right, welcome aboard. We are currently about 30 miles south of Greensboro, just going over Asheboro, inbound for landing at Greensboro.
68 Greensboro approach. Good evening, altimeter 2987, Alpha 23 left.
I've requested 32, we'll see if we get it.
3 left and 2987, Blue Streak 54, 68.
I haven't got the field yet. I see Corey Convention Center, which is down. Usually you can spot the beacon. Well, I think I saw it. Well, keep looking. Yep, okay, I got the field now. Got the beacon.
Meteor 5009, descend and maintain 3000.
Don't be scared, no, don't be scared. Cause you're all I need.
Meteor 5009, turn to the left, heading a 160 vector small approach course.
You guys can see it in the distance, the beacon right on our nose. There's a white, there's the green, there's the white. Greensboro can be tricky to find for people that aren't really familiar, believe it or not, just the way the lights blend in with the city, you know, it's really tough to pick it up, but we get a little closer, I'll let them know I have the field in sight. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly when they can give you the visual as far as mileage.
Never 04 Tango Greensboro. No problem, I was making sure you're okay.
Beautiful sunrise out there. Sunset, I mean, sorry. Forget my sunrise, sunset mixed up. Such a beautiful orange glow. The camera doesn't do it justice. I wish I had a, it would show exactly what I see, but anyways.
When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone, and you're not afraid to lose them, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone.
November 41, November 814 Alpha Fox Dreams for departure radar contact, comm and maintain 12000.
Load ILS 32. Vectors is fine, we'll just put that in there. We'll just be optimistic that they're going to give it to us.
November 106 Mike Lima, Greensboro approach, altimeter 2987, runway 23 left.
Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
November 57, November advising you have the airport in sight, 12 o'clock and 19 miles.
Yeah, field's in sight for 57 November.
57 November, clear visual approach, runway 32, enter a 5 miles straight in for runway 32.
Okay, we're cleared for the visual 32 and we'll enter a 5 mile final for 32, 57 November.
Meteor 5009, reaching
So basically, we'll just go
210.
direct to ULIDE, which will give us a 5 mile final, right? There we go. Direct ULIDE, 14 degrees, and we'll go down to 3,000.
Lindbergh 6259.
We're clear the antennas are all to our right.
23 left.
We'll go ahead and hit approach. I don't think this one will do it though. I think this one won't toggle over automatically, so I'd have to switch to green needles here.
Number 4 Alpha Foxtrot, turn right heading 310.
But anyways, we're doing the visual, so it doesn't really matter. But it's good for situation awareness to have the approach loaded and overlaid. Okay, we're gonna start slowing down, starting to get a little bumpy.
Lindbergh, correction, Blue Streak 5468, descend to maintain 6000.
Descend maintain 6000, Blue Streak 5468.
To make my heart beat out my chest.
November 4 Alpha Foxtrot, contact Atlanta Center 128.8. November 6259, descend and maintain 6,000.
Rich in our mixture. Will be in preparation for landing.
November 6 Mike Lima, descend and maintain 7,000. And commuter 5009, actually we reached 3,000, reduced speed to 170.
One thing nice about picking up the beacon on the field, it's right there near the quarry ramp, so it's easy to get your bearings on knowing where it is on the field too, if you know where the beacon is located. Obviously you can look at that on the chart. It shows you where the beacon's at on the field. So you kind of know where to look for the runway in relation to the beacon.
Commuter 5009, I don't know if you can see it, the Greensboro Airport's at your 2 to 3 o'clock and 15 miles. Lindbergh 6259, descend and maintain.
I don't know why they get me to this 5 mile final. I don't know how we're going with traffic. But
Number 57 November, contact tower 119.1.
okay, tower 19-1, 57 November, good night.
Night.
Greensboro Tower, Bonanza 2357 November's visual 32.
Coffee House.
Stand by.
Stand by, that's a little weird. Alright, gonna put it in heading mode. We'll go. Bam, procedure. Activate vectors to final. Flip it. On the green needles. 32.
I was so much younger yesterday. Hey, I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need
November 2357 November, Greensboro Tower, wind 280 at 6, runway 32, clear to land.
Okay, clear to land, 32, 2357 November. Okay, we're gonna start slowing down a lot here. Should have loaded the RNAV because it's not coming in. I don't know if it's got the right one. There we go. Yeah, we got the runway in sight. You got to really be lined up with the runway to be able to see it. Okay, I'll turn in around here in a second just to show you guys here. Our speed checks. Good. Gear and 1 notch of flaps. There's the runway. The lights, the runway edge lights, don't really come into view very well until you're lined up with them. If you're coming in from an angle, they're really hard to see. And I think they do that so it doesn't distract you to see the other runway. Like we can't see the perpendicular runway lights until we get lined up with them.
Tower, commuter 5009's visual left side. Commuter 5009, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land, traffic 3 mile final for runway 32, Bonanza. Clear to land,
right,
23 left, commuter 5009.
It takes an egg to make a hen, it takes a hen to make an egg.
All right, we're slightly high, but we're good. I'm gonna get one now. We get full flaps. They're moving.
Bonanza 57 November traffic on a 8 mile final, runway 23 left, Embraer.
57 November. All right, he's 8 mile final, so he's out of ways, but in other words, he don't want me dragging butt. We'll give it a little power. We're on glide slope, or coming up right on it. You can look at the VASI, it's too white, too red. Lights are on. Everything's done except for the yaw dam. Now it's 3 white, 1 red. We're getting a little high. We'll get back down.
It takes a night to make,
And my trim, I have to trim up as I slow.
and it takes a day to make you young, brother. And it takes some old to make you young. It takes some cold to know the sun.
And we can see that traffic way out on Final out there with the lights on. We got plenty of time to roll through his intersection.
No time to fall in love, but it takes you years to know what the love is. And it takes some fear before I trust, and it takes some tears to make it rust, and it takes the rust to have it polished.
And you won't see the beam of my landing lights until we get a little closer. Hopefully they're still working. I've got some nice LEDs, so they're usually pretty reliable. They're not that old. All right, yaw dam's away before landing check is complete. Now we're starting to see my lights are starting to light up the pavement, so you can see 3-2 coming into view. These LEDs are much better than the old standard incandescent bulbs. Power's coming off. We'll trim as we get slow.
It takes some silence to make sound.
There we go.
And it
That
takes
is my left.
before
My right.